Howdy trainers and welcome back to another video. Today I have for you one single pack of Legacy of the Master. Let's get this cracked open and see if we can get anything good out of this pack. Alright, pack has been cracked. Take the trash, toss that. Now let's see what we got in this pack. We have Sentamaru, Inarashi, Morgan, Don Quixote Rosanade, Color of Arms Hockey, Duval. The extinguishes all sound created by your influence technique. Shimasuke Kazaburo, Jin, Don Quixote Rosanade, Don Quixote Don Flamingo, and Slam Gibson. All right. Awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, happy hunting, trainers.